show that f equals 6xy plus z cube I cap plus 3x square minus z j cap plus 3x z square 3x z square minus y k cap. Is irrotational. Is irrotational and hence find phi and hence find phi such that f equals grad phi. Same problem will continue. Let's take down solution. So we know to prove f is irrotational or conservative, both are same. We have to show that curl f equal to 0. Okay. So consider del cross f that is equal to determinant of I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, second row. Third row component of our problem, the vector 6xy plus z cube. Second component is 3x square minus z, and third component is 3x z square minus y. Let's do it. This is 3 cross 3 determinant. And similar problem. First I will write the formula, I'll substitute. So if you are perfect, you can go with the direct differentiation. So I cap into dou by dou y of 3x z square minus y minus dou by dou z of 3x square minus z. Okay, so first row, first column, if you leave, you will get the 4 terms. So with respect to y, with respect to z, and these 2 terms. Minus j cap into minus j cap, first row and second column, middle column. So you'll get dou by dou x of 3x z square minus y minus dou by dou z of 6xy plus z cube plus k cap into yes, first row, third column, dou by dou x of 3x square minus z minus dou by dou y of 6xy plus z cube. Yes, differentiate. Yes, what is the differentiation with respect to y? I cap into first term
1 minus 1.
With respect to y, no, you will get -1 because this is 0. Differentiation of 3x square is 0 with respect to y. So -1 differentiation is -1. Formula minus, and with respect to z, again you will get -1. So that minus of minus is +1. So minus j into second one. Partially with respect to x. Yeah, 3z square.
Minus 3z square.
Minus with respect to z, again 3z square. This is 0. Okay. And with respect to x, plus k cap into, with respect to x,
6x minus 6x.
Yeah, with respect to y, 6x. Yes. So they will give the problem in such a way that it should be rotation only. If it is not irrotational, if you are getting not equal to 0 means you should check your differentiation. In case if it is wrong, means if it is correct, if it is not irrotational means you can't continue the problem, means you can't calculate the phi. Okay, so when we have to calculate phi with the help of that given condition f is equal to grad phi, only the given problem should be irrotational. Okay, so finally, therefore, del cross f equals 0. Okay, all the term get cancelled. This is minus and minus of minus plus 3z square and 6x cancel. So therefore, f is or implies f is irrotational. Okay, so this is one stage. Now write down given vector f equals grad phi or grad phi equals vector f. Both are same. Okay, so that implies, so write the formula of grad phi, that is dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap, that is equal to vector f. Vector f is 6xy plus z cube I cap plus 3x square minus z j cap plus, what is the last one, 3xz square minus y k cap. Okay, now we will equate corresponding components and we will integrate. So the last class problems you can observe and you can see the procedure. So this implies yes, dou phi by dou x equals 6xy plus z cube. This implies, so integrate both sides with respect to x. To cancel the derivative, you will get LHS is 5, that is equal to integration of 6xy plus z cube. So this you have to integrate with respect to x. So this implies 5 you will get, yes, can you tell what is the answer? Anyone? What is the integration of 6xy?
3 square y.
Yes.
3x square y plus z cube x.
Or x z cube. Better while writing, you just note down the order x, y, z. Okay, so x z cube plus, it is very important, plus
F of y comma z.
f of x comma, sorry, y comma z. With respect to x, we are integrating, no? So y comma z is the constant. This is the first equation. So same way you do it for other two. So if you have any doubt how we get integration of 6xy is 3x square means 6 is a constant, right, as it is. Integration of x is x square by 2 into y constant keep as it is. So 2 1s are 2 3s are, you will get 3x square y And here nothing means 1 is there, z cube into 1. Integration of 1 is x and z cube will keep as it is. Okay. So this, if you want to write, you write somewhere, and otherwise you can calculate in your mind and you can write the direct answer. So, but don't do any mistakes. Better you write somewhere. Yes. Similarly, dou phi by dou y. Dou phi by dou y is equal to second component 3x square minus z. That implies, again, if you integrate with respect to y, LHS gives phi integration of 3x square minus z. This is with respect to y, nothing but dy. This implies phi equals, yes, what is the integration with respect to y? 3x square, 3 constant.
Y.
Very good. 3x square y, because 3
Minus
constant
YZ.
minus yz plus
Plus
f
f
of
of x, comma z.
x comma z. Okay, like this. So because 3x square both are constant with respect to y, nothing but 1 is there, integration of 1 is y, and z also constant into 1, integration of 1 is y. You will get like this, and constant is other than y, that is x and z. Similarly, the last one, dou phi by dou z equals third component 3x z square minus y. That implies phi equals integration of 3x z square minus y with respect to z dz, implies phi equals, yes, what is the integration? Z square integration is z cube by 3. 3 cancel, you will get x z cube
X Z cube.
minus yz plus f of
X comma Y.
x comma y.
Comma y.
This is the constant. Yes. Now we have 3 different phi, but we need only one unique phi. For that, we will choose the constants. Okay. So depending on these 3 equation, we can get the constant. So choose f of y comma z equals, yes, it is a term involving only y and z. It will be available in other 2 equation. These second and third. What is that?
Minus YZ.
Yes,
Minus
including negative sign, you should take it is minus y into z. Okay, so there is no confusion at all. You will get a single term in terms of yz. It should be in both the equation. And similarly, f of x comma z.
X Z cube.
Yes,
Z cube.
f of x comma z, it is available in first equation and third equation, and it should be common x z cube. Okay, x z cube you have to choose. And third one, f of x comma y.
3x square
F of
y.
x comma y is, it contains only x and y. So constant is allowed, but not the other variable. So it is 3x square y and 3x square y. So 3x square y. So like this gives, sorry, there is a disturbance. This gives phi equals what? You substitute in, I will substitute in first equation only, 3x square y plus xz cube, yz nothing but f of y comma z is minus yz. So this is the solution. Got it? Any doubt? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll take the problem. Next problem. 1 minute. Yes. Get to the next problem. Show that vector f equals x square minus yz I cap plus y square minus zx j cap plus z square minus xy k cap is irrotational and hence find phi such that f equals grad phi. Yes. Yes. First, consider curl f. Consider curl f that is equal I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y and dou by dou z and yes, component is x square minus yz, y square minus xz, zx and xz and z square minus xy. Yes, I cap into, first you substitute better. If you are familiar with the differentiation, you can write the answer after differentiation what you will get. Okay, I cap into dou by dou y of z square minus xy minus dou by dou z of y square minus xz minus j cap into, this is as usual, plus minus plus and particular row and particular column. First row it is fixed, first row you have to neglect, particular column minus j into that particular column you should ignore. You will get dou by dou x of z square minus xy minus dou by dou z of x square minus yz plus k cap into first row and third column dou by dou x of y square minus xz minus dou by dou y of x square minus yz. Yes, differentiate. What you will get? I cap into partially with respect to y. This is 0, z square. What will be the answer?
Minus x plus x.
Yes, minus x. Formula minus, but with respect to z, you will get minus x. The minus of minus plus x. Similarly, minus j into with respect to x minus y and minus with respect to z again minus y, you will get plus y plus k into with respect to x minus z, similarly you will get plus z. But you can verify with respect to y minus z, but minus minus become plus. So finally curl f equal to 0. Curl f equal to 0. That implies therefore f is Therefore, f is irrotational. Therefore, f is irrotational. Yes. Now, given f equals grad phi or grad phi equals f. So this implies dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap equals f. F is x square minus yz I cap plus y square minus zx or xz j cap plus z square minus xy k cap. Yes. As usual, integrate and we will get the three different phi with a constant. Then after that we should choose to get a unique phi. Yes, first one. Dou phi by dou x equals x square minus yz implies phi equals integration of x square minus yz with respect to x. That implies, yes, what is phi?
X cube by
X square by
3
2.
Yes, x cube by 3.
minus xyz
Very good. Minus xyz plus
f of y comma z.
y comma z. So like this you get another 2. Dou phi by dou y equals y square minus xz. That implies phi equals integration of y square minus xz, that dx, sorry, dy. That implies phi equals, yes,
Y cube by 3
y cube by 3
minus xyz
minus xyz
plus f
plus
of
x
x
comma
comma
z.
z.
Third one. Yes, third one. Dou phi by dou y equals z square minus x square. Z square minus xy implies phi equals integration of z square minus xy with respect to, sorry, this is dz, no, dou z. Dz. Yes, what is the solution? Phi equals integration
Z cube by 3
z cube by 3 minus
minus
xy
xyz
plus
f of x comma y.
x comma y. Yes. Now choose. Yes. What is f of y comma z? Anyone? F of y comma z,
Zero,
it is
sir.
a term involving, yes, 0. No. It will not get unique phi because especially this is a special problem. Phi f of y comma z in a first equation and similarly second and third if you choose like 0, 0, 0, because you won't get the same term including yz. Previous problems y comma z means a term involving y and z, maybe addition or multiplication. I told no addition or multiplication, but see here y comma z means here second equation and the third equation, I told it will get the term in second and third, but don't think it is available same term in a second and third. See, the term involving y is y cube by 3, term involving z is z cube by 3, that is available in second and third separately. So combining both, you should take like this: y cube by 3, y cube by 3 plus z cube by 3. Did you understand? It's not 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's not 0. It is f of y comma z is a finally what we have to choose. It is a term involving only y and z. So, but how to choose a hint? I told in the previous problem, but previous problem is a different and this is different. Okay, so here it is there. Y cube by 3 it is in the second equation. Z cube by 3 is in the third equation. Both you add it because in between it is plus only. If it is a minus, then you subtract it. So then you will get like this. Similarly, yes. Now tell me what is f of x comma z?
X cube by 3 plus Z cube by 3.
Yes, this is x comma z. It is available in equation first and equation 3. Okay, first equation and third equation, that is x cube by 3 plus z cube by 3. And finally, last one, f of x comma y. It's available in first and second equation, x cube by 3 plus y cube by 3. Okay, so this is a different problem and way of choosing also, but whatever the problem, it is the only one important thing is y comma z means it involves only y and z. You should not take x. Okay, but how it is available, maybe in the same equation or in the different two equations. Okay, or finally substitute in any one. Therefore 5 gives, this implies 5 equals, yes, I will substitute in first equation only x cube by 3, and similarly I will substitute this in I will write in order like this: x cube by 3 first term, and the constant I will write here y comma z is y cube by 3 and z cube by 3 minus xyz. Correct? Just you can check once. You can substitute any constant in any equation. You should get a unique 5. Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Take on the next problem. Find the constant. So it is very important question paper problem actually. Means similar they may give. Okay. Find the constant. Find the constants A, B, and C. Find the constants A, B, and C so that the vector f equals x plus 2y plus az, x plus 2y plus az I cap plus bx minus 3y plus z j cap plus 4x plus 6y 4x plus 6y, sorry, 1 minute, not 6, it is c, sorry, 4x plus cy plus 2z. K cap is irrotational. Irrotational. Okay, so this is only, we have to calculate only irrotational. Okay, we should not calculate phi. Whatever the question, read carefully. Only you should check it is irrotational, it is given irrotational, and you should calculate the value of ABC. So since for this problem they are not asking to calculate phi, don't solve that is. But the problem is there. Calculation of constant and calculation of phi, it is also there. Question paper problem is there. Yes, first irrotational. It is given, it is irrotational. Okay, no need to prove. So take down the solution. Given F is irrotational. So in the last classes we solved the problem calculating constant. Given vector is a solenoidal. Solenoidal nothing but divergent of F is equal to 0. By using that, how we calculate it? Same way here. Given F is irrotational implies curl F equal to 0. So no need to prove it is given, and we are using that result. Curl F equal to 0. So curl F nothing but write the formula. I J K dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, and substitute the component x plus 2y plus az bx minus 3y plus z and 4x plus cy plus 2z. That is equal to 0. You should take RHS 0, otherwise you won't get the values ABC. And don't write equality sign in the left hand side. You can use implies. Okay, implies you can use. So that implies I cap into S. Simple differentiation. Shall I differentiate directly? What do you will get?
C.
Or if you want, okay, one more step we will write. No, anyhow, dou by dou y of 4x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of bx minus 3y plus z minus j cap into dou by dou x of 4x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of x plus 2y plus az plus k cap into dou by dou x of bx minus 3y plus z minus dou by dou y of x plus 2y plus az. Yes, and that is equal to 0. This is very important. Yes, now differentiate. You will get I cap into partially with respect to y. See, these two are constant, become 0. Yes, cy no c.
C minus.
Yes, with respect to z, these two constant 1, c minus 1 minus j cap into with respect to x 4 minus
4 minus 0.
4 minus a. Very good. And plus k cap into
B minus 2.
b minus
Minus 2.
2 equal to 0, or I will write in order C minus 1 into I cap. Now I will write plus only, multiply minus inside. So 4 minus A become A minus 4 J cap. Okay. So just because it is a negative, I will change into plus by multiplying minus into inside. 4 minus A become A minus 4 and plus B minus 2 K cap is equal to 0 nothing but actually it is 0I plus 0J plus 0K. Shall I write like this now? It is a vector only. Okay. So why I am writing like this? That is the concept we have now. If two vectors are equal, corresponding components are equal. This implies C minus 1 equal to 0, A minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, A minus 4. Just 1 minute. Yes, A minus 4 equal to 0 and B minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so finally this implies C equals 1, A equals 4, B equals 2. Just put it in box. You got it? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, so this is the way to calculate the constant. So they will give, it should be irrotational. If it is irrotational means you should take RHS equal to 0 and then with the help of that equality 0, you can calculate the constant. Okay, so similar type of problem I will continue in the next class. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, and be practice because it will be a different concepts is there. And finally, once completion of a module, you should get the overview of this complete module. Okay. Yes, anything? Okay, thank you.